Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID region on your iPhone. If you can't install apps from the App Store and you need to download them from another region, then we go to Settings. Go to your Apple account, go to Media and Purchases. Tap View Account. And then a window appears where we select our country. Here we select country/region. For me, it's Poland, and we choose the country we need. Let's say we need Belgium. Select Belgium. Tap Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. And here we enter our contact details and our payment method for the App Store. Here we can select mobile phone. Most likely, yes, it will be a mobile phone. Here we select the street and enter the street details. For example, I've already opened a map and looked. Tipdorp Street in Belgium. Dorp. Okay, we also enter the postal code for this city and select the city. For example, I chose Antwerp. After that, enter this phone number. The country, Belgium, has been filled in automatically. Here is your first name, last name. Tap Done, and you're set. And basically, your country changes. And you can then go to the App Store and download the app that wouldn't install before. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.